Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to record voice in Canva presentation. So let's say this is the presentation I have and here I want to give my voice over. So for that what you can do, just click on this upload icon and right here you need to click on audio, and now here you'll see the option record yourself, and for some reason record yourself option will not be visible to some people. So in that case you can use VPN. Once you see this option record yourself, just click on it. Now make sure to give them the permission, so I'll just click on allow while visiting the site. Now here you can see that they are detected my mic, and this is kind of a waveform we are seeing. To record your voice you can just click on record, but make sure that if you want to record your voice with face cam, in that case you need to turn on your camera. My camera is already turned on, so they're using virtual camera. So if I want to turn off this, and if you don't want to record your face cam, you can just turn off your camera by clicking on this icon, and your camera will going to be off and it will look like this. In order to record, just click on record. So countdown will begin, and once the countdown is done, the recording will start. So this is how you can record your voice in Canva. Now once you're done with the recording, you can just click on done, and here you just need to click on save and exit. Once you do that, you will be able to see your recording, and in order to play this you can just click on the icon and just click on play button. Countdown is done, the recording will start, and yeah, this is the preview we can get. So if you want to trim your audio, if you want to trim from some part, you can do that as well, and if you want to cut it, you can just like go to this double-sided arrow, hold your left click and drag towards left right in order to crop and trim the recording which we have done before. So yeah guys, that's it. This is how you can record audio or voice in Canva presentation. If you like this video, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.